If you're anything like me, you love to show off your hair and wear your hair down, but you hate having your hair in your face all day. So here's 3 quick and easy half up, half down hairstyles where your curls are free, yet they are pushed back off your face. I'll be using the brand new Curlsmith Shine Recipe products for this video. So starting off in the shower, I'm going to be washing my hair using the Shine shampoo. This shampoo is described as a gentle, light foaming, and I definitely agree. As you can see, there is definitely a lather, but it's not a super thick and bubbly lather. It's the perfect amount to make me feel like the shampoo is cleaning my hair and scalp and doing exactly what it needs to do, but nothing too much. It lathered up pretty much straight away as soon as I put it on my hair. It has quite a thick consistency, which I really enjoyed. It has a slight slip, which I love in a shampoo. It makes massaging my scalp and bringing the shampoo down the length of my hair really nice and easy. When I rinsed out the shampoo, my hair and scalp felt super clean, yet still really nice and moisturized. So it's definitely a very nice, gentle shampoo. To condition, I used the Shine conditioner, which is described to provide silky, smooth detangling, which again, I do agree with. I split my hair in sections, starting at the back and working my way up. The conditioner has a silky smooth and creamy consistency. It's not the most slippery conditioner that I've ever used, but it has just enough to make detangling nice and easy without me feeling like I'm causing any breakage to my hair. Once my hair is completely covered in conditioner and detangled, I put my hair into a small bun whilst I wash the rest of my body. This gives the conditioner time to soak into my hair and do what it needs to do and give my hair all the goodness that it's gonna give. And then once I wash my body, I take down the ponytail and rinse out the conditioner. As you can see, when rinsing the conditioner out, my curls were popping, which is always a good sign that your hair is going to look good once you're out of the shower. My hair was nice and elongated. It looks really nice and shiny, and I wish you could feel my hair because it felt really lovely and soft and lightweight and bouncy after I stepped out the shower. Okay, so let's get this hair moisturized and these curls styled and popping. First, I applied the Shine Cream, which is a lightweight leave-in conditioner. It does have quite a thick, creamy consistency for a lightweight conditioner, but when applying, it really does feel lightweight. It's really easily distributed throughout my hair, so a little bit does go a long way. My hair did not feel weighed down at all, yet it still felt as moisturized as I would want it to be. With my leave-in conditioners, I'm never too particular about how I apply them, so I focus mainly on my ends and then roughly section my hair to make sure that the insides and the underneath of my hair get some product too, but I don't need every single strand to be completely covered. So onto the gel. I love a Curlsmith gel for a wash and go, and this new Shine gel did not disappoint. It's rated 9 out of 10 on the hold scale, which I agree with. It has a strong hold, yet my curls did not feel hard or crunchy when they dried, but you'll see the dry results shortly. Similar to how I applied the conditioner in the shower, I work in small sections when applying my gel. So I start at the back and then work my way up until all of my hair is covered in product. This is what my hair looked like once all of the product was applied, and look how cute those curls look. I love it. So this is my hair the next day when it is completely dry and stretched and shaped. I of course could rock my hair down like this in all its wash and go glory, but like I said, I do find having my hair in my face all day super annoying, so I'm going to show you a few ways to push back half of your hair so that it's not all in your face all day. So although I don't like having my hair in my face, I do love leaving out a few curls in the front. I just think it adds that little bit extra to any style. It just looks so cute and it's not too annoying because it's only a few curls. For this first style, you don't need any hairbands, just bobby pins. What I did was pinch and roll the front of my hair on each side to create 2 rolls. This is a great alternative to a flat twist if you're unable to flat twist, and it looks just as good. It's easy to do, it's low manipulation, plus I think it looks a lot more intricate than what it actually is, so it's a nice fancy style that is super easy to do. When I get to the back of the roll, I use 2 big bobby pins crossed over each other to ensure that they stay in place. If your hair isn't as thick as mine, you could probably get away with using just 1 bobby pin. I do the same on both sides, and that is the style done. Literally less than 5 minutes to do this style, which is perfect. Style 2 takes a little bit longer, but it's still super easy to do. You're going to need 2 hairbands and some bobby pins. So first I section off the front section into 2 hairbands so that I end up with 2 ponytails. Then I split each ponytail into 2 and twist it all the way to the end. This doesn't have to be a super tidy twist. Do this on both ponytails, and then I take the twist from the right hand side and cross it over to the left hand side and bobby pin it in place. And then I take the twist from the left hand side over to the right hand side and pin that in place. This creates such a cute twisted updo. I think it looks like a mini crown, so I call this one the twisted crown updo. I've previously done this style with all of my hair up in the twist rather than having the back down as well, and that is also a super cute style to do. Style 3 is probably the most simple one, but I think it is my favourite. This is going to be a half up, half down with the curls left down at the front. For this half up, half down style, I put the half up section on the back of my head rather than up on top. This creates more of a slick look. So depending on my mood or the look I'm going for, depending where I'm going, that changes where I place the half up section. I decided to not slick down any baby hairs, but of course you can do this if you prefer. And that is the style done. My hair was super easy to style into these styles after using the Shine recipe products. This wash and go lasted all week without having to refresh my curls, and I got so many compliments on how good my curls looked, so I highly recommend trying out this range. I will link where you can get your hands on the products in the description box. Let me know which hairstyle is your favorite and let me know if you found this helpful. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video.